Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study our chapter 1, The Best Christmas Present. No one wants a war. Nobody likes to fight in a war. If two nations can sit together to find a solution instead of fighting with each other, that could save a lot of lives. And that exactly the thought that has been reflected in the story. The best Christmas present. I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridport, a roll top desk. The man said it was early 19th century and oak. I had wanted one, but they were far too expensive. This one was in a bad condition, the roll top in several pieces. One leg clumsily mended, scotch marks all down one side. It was going for very little money. I thought I could restore it. It would be a risk, a challenge, but I had to have it. I paid the man and brought it back to my workroom at the back of the garage. I began work on it on Christmas Eve. The author found a roll top desk in a junk shop. It was in a bad condition but cheap. He thought that he could restore it, so he bought it. He began to work on it on Christmas Eve. I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. The veneer had lifted almost everywhere. It clearly taken their toll on the desk. The last drawer was stuck fast. I tried all I could to ease out it gently. In the end, I used brute force. I stuck it sharply with the side of my fist, and the drawer flew open to reveal a shallow space underneath. A secret drawer. There was something in there. I reached in and took out a small black tin box, sellotaped. To the top of it was a piece of lined notepaper, and written on it in Shanky handwriting, Jim's last letter, received January 25, 1915, to be buried with me when the time comes. He pulled out the drawers. He found that these had been badly damaged by fire and water. The man who sold it had told him that it was very old. It was of 19th century and made of oak. The last drawer had stuck fast. He had to use much force to open it. When it opened, it revealed a secret space in it. He found a small tin box on the top of the box. These words were written: Jim's last letter, received January 25, 1915, to be buried with me when the time comes. Inside, there was an envelope with the address. I knew as I did it was wrong of me to open the box, but curiosity got the better of my scruples. It usually does. Inside the box there was an envelope. The address read Jim Macpherson, 12 Copper Beaches, Bridport, Dorset. I took out the letter and unfolded it. It was written in pencil and dated at the top December 26, 1914. When it opened, it revealed a secret space. In it, he found a small tin box. On the top of the box, these words were written: Jim's last letter received. And as I told you, and inside there was an envelope with the address Mrs. Jim Macpherson, 12 Copper Beaches, Bridport. The date was December 26, 1914.